Two more items I wanted to share with you, and I promise to let you go. Number one, informed compliance publication. Dropping it down the link. That publication is kind of long, but if you go to the page 40, you will have examples of what man-made fibers are. And extremely important here is the example of what is synthetic and what is artificial, because both are regarded as man-made. And I have some examples here down below which provide examples of what would be regarded as artificial and what would be provided as man-made. So if you look here, you see synthetic fibers include acrylic, mod-acrylic, polypropylene, nylon, right? So that would be acrylic because we have nylon, right? This is synthetic fiber. Artificial fiber, without going into the details of the fabrication process, would be viscose rayon, other type of rayon, I'm not even gonna pronounce it, and acetate, cellulose acetate, including triacetate. So those would be the examples that are most commonly found on the customs license broker exam. So please print the page 40 of that informed compliance publication out, so that way you have a reference point when you are forced with dichotomy of man-made fiber versus artificial fiber versus synthetic fiber. So that page explains things very well. And lastly, not for the purposes of customs license broker exam, but for the purpose of general knowledge, this is another publication, and that publication kind of talks about classification of the item in greater detail that we talked about. So that's all I wanted to cover.